Hey boys and girls, hi! Welcome to another children's story. How are you? Well, today my story is called Fiery Furnace. King Nebuchadnezzar's army had defeated the Israelites. Now he was their ruler. King Nebuchadnezzar built a golden statue. Then he made a bad law. It said, when the music plays, everyone must bow down and worship the statue. Those who disobey will be thrown into the fiery furnace. The music played. The people fell down and worshiped the statue. But Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego refused. We only worship the true God, they said. The king was mad. The king said, make the furnace extra hot. He had the 3 men thrown inside. Yet when the king looked into the furnace, there were 4 men walking around. One of them looked like an angel of God. The king shouted to the men, come out! Your God has saved you. The fire had not hurt them. They did not even smell like smoke. So the king made them rulers in his kingdom. Okay, boys and girls, thank you for listening to our story. I hope you learned that God will fight your battles. And he will deliver you when you stand up for him. All right, bye.